This video is going to be about my ultimate KDP checklist. So if you're struggling to figure out what you need to be doing when creating your book, or you're not sure why you haven't made any sales yet, then I highly recommend using this checklist because it goes into a lot more detail. And if you check off every single box here, or at least like 95% of them, then you probably should be making sales. Of course, I can't make any guarantees, but I really hope that this is helpful. So this is located on my Gumroad shop. So then if you just scroll down, Ultimate KDP Checklist. I do have a basic one as well if you don't want as much detail, but this Ultimate Checklist just has so much more information. And it is for sale right now for $2. However, if you listen to this entire video, I will be revealing a discount code that will make it actually free. And I don't plan to stop this discount code at all because I really think a lot of information about KDP should be free and available to everybody, because we're all just trying to make some extra income here. So although if you want to buy it, I greatly appreciate it. All of the money definitely helps support me and my channel. I understand that we're all trying to save money, and sometimes even $1 or $2 can just be too much to spend. So that's why I also am going to be giving you this discount code, and I really hope this is helpful. So first, let's just look at what the checklist actually is so you can kind of decide if it's for you or not. So this is what the checklist is going to look like once you download it. You're going to have a PDF format, so it's not going to be in Canva like this, unless I guess you could import it to Canva if you want to. But I really don't recommend that. I would just keep it in the PDF format and then either like print it out, or you can like check mark in like Paint or some sort of program. So let's just start at the top here. So I covered up all of the check mark boxes, of course, because this is a paid product. So I just broke it out into different categories. So you won't have these big blue boxes in yours. You'll just have the check mark boxes and then what they actually are. So the first category is niche research, and these are all the boxes that I have here. And then keyword research, same thing, all of these different boxes to check off. And then categories, same thing. And moving down, I have title, subtitle, author name, and then description, cover, interior. You can see some of the words there. I didn't cover them up completely, but that's okay. Pricing, and then additional optional checklist. And this is kind of things that like didn't fit into a category, that are kind of optional. Like you don't really need to check them off to make sales, but they can definitely be helpful. Reminders, tips, or just really anything that I didn't feel like fit into another category. And I wanted to have you guys think about it. So that's why they're here. And there are plenty to check mark off. And then this last page here is more just me saying congratulations, that I don't guarantee sales, of course. And then if you'd like more information, check out my YouTube channel, or you can contact me at my business email. I really try hard to get back to everybody, and I try to respond and help out as much as I can, because I think we're all here to help each other out. And I've learned so much from all of you, like all my subscribers and then other YouTubers. And I really think that everybody can be successful at KDP, and I think there's room for each and every one of us. So this is what the actual checklist is going to look like, minus the big boxes. And then if you're actually like on the page here, so if you go to my Gumroad and then you scroll down and you click on it, this page is what's going to pop up. And I just have like a little blurb here. It's just, if you're looking for an ultimate checklist when publishing a new book, this is just what you need. Or if you, so looking for an ultimate checklist and publishing a new book, this is just what you need. There we go. Check off the list to help you create a KDP book available in PDF format for download. So if you want to download it, you would just hit add to cart. It's a PDF download. It has 5 pages like I just showed in the previous tab here. And then it brings you to this page. So this is like a test purchase, it says here, because I'm the creator of this, so I'm not going to buy my own work, obviously. But if you want the discount code, it is BANANA, which is BANANA. I don't think it matters if it's capital or not, but I have it in as capital. Hit apply, and now it is completely free. So I really hope this is helpful. I would love to know what you guys think of this checklist, if there's more that should be added to it, if there's too much detail, which I don't really think too much detail is possible. but I really want to know the feedback. If you think it's overwhelming, then it might not be for you, or maybe I can kind of make an in the middle checklist instead of the basic and ultimate. It's just such a large jump. Maybe like an intermediate one. I don't know. Let me know what is going to be helpful for you guys, because I'm doing this to help you. I spend quite a good amount of time on this checklist, and I'm giving this out for free. So I really want to make sure this is going to give you all value, because I just really want to help. So let me know. And if you have any issues with the discounts or questions, please just feel free to comment, or you can send me an email. But I really appreciate all the support from you guys so much. I hope this is helpful. So thank you very much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.